Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of Zimeton, a medication that can be your best friend for some digestive problem. If you've been wondering how and when to take it, you've come to the right place. Zimeton is a mix of pancreatin, dried ox bile extract, and simethicone. Its mission is to lend you a hand with digestion, especially if you suffer from pancreatic insufficiency or indigestion. Let's give an example. If you feel heavy after a big meal, or your pancreas isn't producing the enzymes it needs, Zimeton could be the solution you're looking for. And how does this formula work? Pancreatin is responsible for breaking down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Ox bile extract improves the digestion of fats, and simethicone takes care of reducing gas, relieving bloating and discomfort. As for the dosage, the golden rule is to follow your doctor's instructions. Normally, you start with an initial dose and then move on to a maintenance dose. It's common to take it with meals so that its effect is even better. Now, as with any medication, some side effects may appear. These include nausea, diarrhea, or allergic reactions. Pay attention to how you feel, and if you notice anything out of the ordinary, don't hesitate to consult your doctor. Also, it's important to let them know about any other medications you're taking to avoid interaction problems. In short, Zimeton can be a great tool to improve your digestion if used correctly. Always follow medical recommendations, and if in doubt, ask. Thanks for joining us, and take good care of your health.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.